海苔は亜鉛、おにぎりのマンガン、グワスミグワスミ。あっという間にマンガン電池、あっという間にマンガン電池、あれもうできちゃった。そんなに同意作業じゃなかったよ。Hello, this is Mel Music. Have you ever heard the anime Dr. Stone? The story is really interesting. I'd like to recommend you all to watch if there's a chance. By the way, there is a scene the person named Gen sings a short rap song. And the rap music was really great. And as a music teacher, I made his rap part as a rhythm pattern. So I'm hoping you enjoy how the lyrics and the rhythm pattern connect perfectly. And that helps you to understand 16th note, dotted 8th note. Okay, thank you so much. This is the sheet music of the rap song rhythm patterns. The beat is 4 beat. Let's count and play the rhythm. Let's put the lyrics on. The lyrics in Japanese, so I sing in Japanese. 海苔は亜鉛、おにぎりのマンガン、グワスミグワスミ。あっという間にマンガン電池、あっという間にマンガン電池、あれもうできちゃった。そんなに同意作業じゃなかったよ。関連マンガン、散々マンガン、関連マンガン、ガンガンマンガン、関連マンガン、散々マンガン。